Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can clip and share YouTube videos. So if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and make sure you subscribe for more useful tutorials. So what you'll need to do is just find a video. So once you've found a video you want to clip, just obviously click on it. And all you need to do is click on these three dots on the bottom right hand side. And it should give you the option to clip the video on there. There'll only be certain channels that will allow this. Obviously they have to enable it for you to do so. So channels such as Mr. Beast and this one here does allow you to clip the video. And what you can do once you're on here is you can decrease the time down to 5 seconds, or you can increase it all the way up to 60 seconds if you want to do that. You can also hover over the middle of the video or the middle of the clip and just drag it along to whichever section of the video you want to use, and you'll just have to add a title, then select share clip. So once you've done that, you can obviously copy the link below and then post it wherever you want. You can obviously post it on your channel or somewhere else. You can obviously use it on Facebook, WhatsApp, any of the social media apps if you want to do that. So once you've copied it, you can actually go to your channel . And you can go into posts, and you can just paste it into here if you want to do that. And then you can obviously just put a title in there if you want to share this with somebody and just select post. And once you've done that, you'll see this option for your clips, so you can click on there and this will bring up all the videos that you've clipped. Thanks for watching.